That is, we have a smoke alarm system in which is the problem that is after some time they will be give a beep. So we will change the battery, and after the changing battery they will be given the same status. So now we check what is the matter in that. As you can see, that is the battery is correctly connected, but if we clean that sensor from the dust, that will be clear. Now you can see that after removing the battery and restart that, hold the switch for just a minute. When that are discharged correctly, so release it, and after that connect it. Now they are clear, not giving beep again, so we can check it for a minute. Now they are not give a beep again. Check it, it's working. Now that is ready for installation. Okay, bye bye.